100 subscribers. What the heck? That is freaking awesome, guys. I actually woke up this morning, I think I was at like 94 or 95 subscribers, and I woke up to get ready for work, checked my phone, and it was at like 109 or 108 or something like that. And that's just mind-blowing to me, just to think that, you know, I have over 100 people that subscribe to my channel and that are, you know, liking or just enjoy watching my content and listening to what I have to say. You know, I started doing this just because I love to talk about personal finance and investing, and not too many people I hang around with, you know, really care to talk about that type of stuff. So I figured this is the, you know, the best avenue for me to use to be able to connect with you guys and kind of be part of this community. So I just want to say real quick, you know, thank you guys for, you know, supporting my channel, you know, watching my videos, leaving those comments, the likes on the videos. I appreciate all that. Now, with that being said, I'm thinking with like each big milestone for this channel, I think I'm going to try and invest a little bit of money into my YouTube channel. So, you know, maybe that means I'll buy some lighting, or I'll buy some audio equipment like a microphone, or maybe I'll buy just a tripod so I'm not, you know, having to use things around the house to set up my camera. But, you know, let me know what you guys think. You know, what do you think my videos need to improve? Is it more lighting that I need? Because right now I just use, you know, I stand in front of a window and talk to you guys. You know, do I need better audio? Is that what I need? Just let me know in the comments below what you guys think would make my videos improve. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to make a quick video saying thank you guys. So until then, I'll see you in the next video.